Hello friends! Today I'm sneaking in a healthy recipe. We're making avocado salad. It's delicious, flavorful, and so fresh. Let's get started. We're using fresh vegetables and fruits for this recipe. We're going to start by cutting up a cucumber and throwing it into a mixing bowl. Next, we're going to slice up some cherry tomatoes, then add to the bowl. Slice up a red onion and add to the bowl. We're also going to dice up some avocados and throw into the bowl. Squeeze in the juice of a whole lemon. Chop up some fresh dill. Add to the bowl. Crush in a fresh garlic. Add some olive oil, then season with salt and black pepper. Mix everything together very well. Then this delicious avocado and vegetable salad is ready to be enjoyed. This is such a great healthy side for steak, grilled chicken, or salmon. You can add in some croutons or cheese if you'd like. All ingredients and measurements will be in the description box if you guys would want to try this delicious avocado and vegetable salad.